Hi everybody, this is Jose doing the video tutorial for week 13. For this week I just briefly want to go over on how to properly print sheets into PDF. This is the general way that we normally have to turn in projects, and at least how I have always turned them in all my classes. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to do it. So I have this project and I have these sheets. Let's say I had them all done. I'm just going to go to Control P, and so that we can get this format that we want, we just go into Setup here and make sure the size is the correct size. So normally it's 11 by 17. If you don't have an 11 by 17 option, it is the tabloid option. That's 11 by 17 as well. I'm just going to go ahead and click 11 by 17, make sure it's landscape, and if it's half size, which normally sometimes the professors ask for us to turn in projects half size, so we'll just click zoom here, and then instead of 100% we'll just click 50%. And then those are pretty much the only things you would need to change here. The size, or make sure orientation's correct, and then the zoom option for 50% size, you click OK. And then you got to make sure, if you want to combine the files into one single PDF file, which is pretty much what we always want to do, we just make sure that's selected, and then also make sure it's going to be PDF. If you don't have Bluebeam PDF, you just normally you will have Microsoft Print to PDF as well, that option right there. And then you will go to the print range option here and then select the sheets that you want. So you will click on selected views slash sheets, and then click on the select option right there, and then you can select the sheets that you want. You can uncheck the views if you just want to see the sheets, and let's say I wanted to just print these off from basement plan all the way to, let's say, building elevations. So I just select all of those, and then I click OK. Normally it's going to ask you if you want to save these settings for future Revit projects. You can just select yes and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to go with set 1. And then there you go. It should be done. And then you just click OK. And then it'll just pop up a dialog to give you the option of where you want to save it in your computer. But yeah, I know this is pretty simple, but normally at least I've always, at the end of every semester when I'm working with Revit or AutoCAD and we're turning in projects, there's always some confusion as to what kind of format we need to do it and print it in. So yeah, that's the video for this week. Thank you.